Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into freelancer.com for SEO projects, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.freelancer.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first text box. Next, type your password in the second text box. If you want to remain logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your email and password, click the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Freelancer dashboard. In case you forget your password, click the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page and enter your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Find Work section at the top menu. Here, you can search for SEO projects by typing SEO in the search bar. Filter your search results based on your preferences such as budget and project length. Once you find a project you're interested in, click on the project title. Review the project details and requirements carefully. If you wish to bid, click the Place a Bid button. Fill out the required fields, including your bid amount and a brief proposal. Finally, click Submit to complete your bid. You are now set to start working on SEO projects on freelancer.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.